Hello everyone. Welcome to another demo series of Bizintel360. Today we will demonstrate how Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics helps organization to identify bad product data quality from applications like Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, Supply Chain Planning, SCM and e-commerce applications. This solution will help organization to quickly identify duplicate items, missing attributes and mismatched value of attributes between various enterprise applications. Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics helps you to monitor, measure and improve product, customer and supplier data on a continuous basis to achieve Six Sigma in data quality across enterprise applications. Here is one example on a product data quality problem out of multiple product data management problems. Let's take a look on this example. The retailer gets a demand signal for high-powered grinder and he informs quickly to the nearest distributor with the product name. The distributor in turn checks the availability of that product with SKU in ERP and finds that the demand quantity is huge in number and the inventory is low. On further searches in the ERP application he finds that this particular product is not even available in nearby retail warehouse or any nearby distributors. The distributor further informs manufacturer to generate supply for the product. The manufacturer in turn generates more finished product and supplies it to distributor. Later it gets discovered that product is available just because SKU number is different or there is a duplicate item number because of differentiation in various attributes of item. The distributor was unsuccessful to find the product in nearest distributor warehouse. Hence there was big loss to both the retailer and the manufacturer and in turn it ended up with overstock and huge maintenance of those stocks. Let's see some of the common product data management problems. Most common problem is customer complaints about incorrect manual and product service, delayed product launches due to missing and incorrect item information, poor demand forecasting, lost in visibility for product promotions by sales team, duplicate items causes overstock, maintenance and increased purchasing cost, and the most repetitive one is missing shipments. Bizintel360 helps you to give visibility and identify the root cause of such problems. Let's take a look on Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics solution. Bizintel360 collects data from various sources like PLM, ERP, e-commerce and product information management systems and ingest data in Bizintel360 Data Lake. With the power of advanced visualization, auto relationship and augmented search analytics, Bizintel360 gives the visibility of data quality, duplicate items, missing attribute values and mismatch on price, lead time, stock on hand, discount price between various systems. So who needs Bizintel360? Anyone in the organization who deals with product, customer and supplier data across organization. Those are mainly marketing, operations, product development, procurement, IT and sales team. Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics solution is in the box which gives overall visibility and root cause of the problem in a single dashboard. It helps you to identify and root cause garbage data, duplicate entities, variance of metric like stock on hand, discount price, retail price across systems and undefined attributes for various entities. Well, the problem is very common across industries but very prominent in industries like high-tech, retail, pharma, medical devices, CPG and industrial manufacturing. Biz Data have in-depth expertise in these industry verticals. Bizintel360 can collect data from all leading PLM, ERP, e-commerce and product information management system vendors. Bizintel360 is cloud-based software as a service offering from Biz Data. We have logged into Bizintel360 Augment Analytics solution. We collected data from 3 data sources. This is Bizintel360 Master Data Management Analytics dashboard confined to product master data. Item data is coming from data sources namely ERP, product information management and e-commerce application, and a total of 63 finished good items are loaded. This gives the quick visibility on items by subcategory across all 3 data sources. This gives the data profiling on product category across 3 sources. Here we can quickly identify the product category is not defined in these items. In order to merge these 3 data sources, there is no need to build data warehouse. With the power of augmented data analytics, Bizintel360 Data Lake merges all items in a unified view. Items by manufacturer report quickly shows up that there are items which does not have manufacturer, which is a big risk in the supply chain. This is why this pillar shows up as undefined value. Bizintel360 identifies the missing records, turns it into undefined value. This gives the quick data profiling on stock on hand and stock on order from eCommerce data source. Similarly, this gives the quick visibility of stock on hand and stock on order from ERP data source. This is data profiling on items which is meant for warranty period. Here we can easily identify that warranty year is added wrongly in 2 different systems. This is a tabular report with unified view of all items from the 3 data sources. All the attributes of the items are confined into a single view across 3 data sources. Let's filter the dashboard by a keyword. We can filter the whole dashboard by simply typing any keyword like product category electronics. Now you can see the whole dashboard got filtered by electronics product category. All items are now of electronics category. Now you can get the quick data profiling on electronics category items. You can easily identify the various attributes value of all items in a single view across data sources. I can't search by other keyword like undefined to get all the missing value in one go. I can also search by data source name like ERP, and the whole dashboard with gives items related to ERP application. Now this all are ERP system items. Let me clear the search. We can also filter the dashboard from master table view. Let me filter it by eCommerce. It goes and places the tag on top of the dashboard and filters the source by eCommerce. Now the overall category and subcategory is from eCommerce data source. I can invert it to see items other than eCommerce data sources. Just click on Invert to get the source other than eCommerce. Now we can see all the items other than eCommerce. Let me clear the tag. Let's move on to the other tab of dashboard. Here we get a quick visibility on item quality classified by Bizintel360 while ingesting data in Data Lake in real time. By various product data management parameter, this is classified by low, medium and high. On clicking the low quality items, I get all the items which need attention to improve on various product data quality aspects. Here we can see ERP has highest items in low data quality level. I cleared the click event tag. I'm moving further down. These 3 dial gauge based KPIs give the visibility between good and garbage data. The garbage data quality in items always leads to poor planning and forecasting. I can't filter the data sources here. I can't quickly identify the garbage data in eCommerce apps. We can also get a combined view with ERP. The percentage of garbage data is too high. The goal of the team should be is to monitor and improve and lower down the percentage to below 3. I can't clear the filter from here. Back to normal state. On further moving down to the dashboard, I can't quickly get the visibility on duplicate items across the data sources. We can fix them by data governance and create a golden records in the source system. Here is the master data view of items across the 3 data sources. Going back to the top of dashboard, let's move on to another page of dashboard. This page is dedicated to undefined values of major attributes of items. These are the attributes like life cycle status, item description, which is very important for any product. In today's regulatory-driven environment, the most important aspect of getting certified is not to have any missing attribute values, especially those which will be used for package labeling and compliance certification like REACH, RoHS, FDA, CU and UDI. Like this, we can configure multiple attributes of importance according to business nature. Let's click on the items from e-commerce application where subcategory is not defined. On click, the whole dashboard got filtered by that record. Now we can check that record in master view, which is there in item quality page. We can position the widget in any tabs and at any position. It all depends on how you want to run your use cases. This gives the quick visibility to go through the overall item, and we see subcategory is undefined here. We'll clear the tag now. Let's move on to another very important use case where we need to find the difference or variance between 2 systems. This page contains some tabular reports which gives actionable visibility on variance of important attributes between systems. Here in this table report there is variance on stock on hand between ERP and e-commerce application. We can find those discrepancies into systems with color coding. To get the full list of variance, we can click on all variance with 0 value. This will create a tag and we can invert it to see the full list. Now we have full list of actionable items between 2 systems where there is discrepancies in stock on hand and stock on order between ERP and e-commerce systems. We can further down this in Excel and use data cleansing tool to do sync between ERP and e-commerce application. You can also compare the items from 2 systems with Bizintel360 unique data comparison reporting which comes out of the box. Let's see how we can compare same item between 2 systems. Let me compare the Google Home item between 2 systems. In one click I have comparison report ready. Select another system as eCommerce. Now from this report with unique color coding capability, the data governance team can quickly identify the changes or difference between 2 systems. In this particular case there is a lot of difference which can create multiple issues in supply chain. Moving further down the page, we can create a similar variance between lead time, list price, discount price, etc. between 2 systems and can enhance your product data quality. Here is lead time variance between 2 systems. Similarly, we have list price variance. This data sync is very important to have right promotion strategy between sales and operations team. Here also we can quickly identify the variance by color coding. To create all these reports between various systems, you don't need any data scientist to create relationship and unified view between systems. Bizintel360 does this on the fly with augmented ingestion of data and search technology. Let's take another small use case where we will see how all different use cases from different tags or pages can be combined in one go. Let me search by a brand Google. Now in one go I have all the tabs filtered and use cases filtered by Google brand. Now this data quality levels are for products related to Google. All this variance reports are related to Google brand. This helps data governance team quickly go through the change management process and enhance the data set. All the items are related to Google brand. Now we can clear this. Back to normal view. So this is how we can quickly identify the problems in product data quality and root cause them with ease, without depending on any technical resource due to ever-changing business model and process. Thank you for watching this demo series. You can visit us at Bizintel360.com, and for more information visit the product page. You can write to us at this email or talk to our customer success representative.